To download the Velox Prime app on your iPhone, simply search for Velox Prime on the App Store. Then install the app. Once done, proceed to click Open. Once the app launches, make sure that you allow Velox access to all the settings that is required for it to work. Next, kindly input your username, which is your 4-digit extension number at your domain. These credentials will be provided to you by your Velox administrator as well as the password. Click Sign In to enter the app. The password is system generated by Velox, so once you're logged in, you may want to proceed to Settings, turn on or enable auto login, and use Face ID for login options, so you don't have to worry about that in the future. Once done, you can go back to the dial pad. On the upper right area of the screen, make sure that your status is online so you can make and take calls on your Velox Prime app. In the Velox Prime application, you have the capability to select the outbound DID. You can easily do this by clicking on the drop-down menu, which displays the currently selected DID, and then click the desired DID that you wish to use. Now to dial an extension number, you can simply dial the 4-digit extension number, then click on the call button. This is the on-call screen. The different options during a call are also visible. You can mute yourself, click the double phone icon if you want to transfer the call. You can also have the option to put the call on ear or on speaker, add another call to create a 3 to 4-way conference call, put the current call on hold, and lastly, switch to keypad for input. To end the call, simply press on the red End Call button. To call locally in Singapore, simply dial the 8-digit telephone number. Click the call button. And of course, to end, simply press the red End Call button. To call internationally, kindly dial the country code and followed by the area code. There's no need for plus signs or zeros. Following the same process, click on the call button and click on the red end button to end the call. You can also access and call your local contacts and office directory by clicking the Contacts button. So that's it for the basic use of the Velox smartphone app. If you have questions or concerns, do contact your Velox administrator. Thank you and have a great day ahead.